Fanttik NEX S1 Pro. This is the 3.6 volt standard size electric screwdriver with a USB Type-C recharging cable. This case is pretty strong and big. Well, this side up, okay, for storage. It's supposed to stand up like this. Interesting. Basically, it is the larger alternative, the larger size to the smaller precision screwdriver. See, it's the same design, same concept. Awesome. Magnets inside. I can see 4 pieces of magnets inside to secure this part. It has 2 magnets, so it doesn't matter which way it goes into. Clicks, then pulls. Hear the clicking sound, then depress to lock it. You don't have to remove this thing to recharge. Pops out. Well, very good design. I love it. I love this. 4 bits on each side, so 4 times 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 bits. Okay, square, flathead screwdrivers, hex, this side is hex, security Torx, Phillips, square, off, 3 torque adjustments, flashlight is included. And the flashlight stays on when I let go. This is very good. Notice the speed is constant, but the torque is increased. Off. When it's off, the flashlight also stays on. It has the USB Type-C cable included. Charging. There's a blinking LED light. The charging speed is about 5 watts, 5.6 watts. No, it's yeah, it's about 5 watts. Cool. When it's charging, cannot be used. This is a great design. I love this. Oops. The hex bits are frequently used for installing furniture. This magnetic clicking sound is super satisfying. Pop this one out, then the bit holder. I think that is the sequence. Even if I need to frequently change the bit, I don't have to get everything out. The bit can stay in there. Very well made. This is by far the best refined electric screwdriver I've ever seen. Beautiful. 5 volts input, 2000 milliamps battery capacity.